In this video, we will delve into the world of chainsaws and wood sawmill machines operating at peak efficiency. These are not just tools, but symbols of strength and technological advancement. Let's start right now. The Wimer LT15 sawmill is an incredibly efficient tool for wood processing. Specifically designed for small to medium-sized sawmill applications, the LT15 combines simplicity with high performance. With its precise and reliable cutting capabilities, this sawmill allows users to easily convert large logs into high-quality boards with customizable thickness and dimensions. This makes the LT15 an ideal choice for farmers, carpenters, and woodworking enthusiasts, offering convenience and efficiency in wood processing. You are witnessing a unique sawmill from the 1940s, powered by a Detroit 3 71 engine manufactured in 1953. This sawmill is not just an industrial component, but also a technical masterpiece of its time. With powerful and inspiring operation, it has maintained high performance and precise wood-cutting capabilities over the decades. This offers a fascinating glimpse into the combination of technology and durability in the woodcutting industry throughout different eras. The Frontier OS-27 portable sawmill is the perfect solution for those needing an efficient and affordable woodcutting tool. With a powerful engine, the Frontier OS-27 provides precise and fast cutting capabilities. Its robust and user-friendly design makes operation easy. Meeting international safety standards, this sawmill comes with a 1-year warranty and is an ideal choice for professionals and farmers in the wood industry. The TS Manufacturing 6 dual-blade sawmill is equipped with a dual bandsaw system, enabling efficient and quick wood cutting. At its core, the Magnum LT linear carriage from Hurdle Machine Works stands out, capable of expanding up to 40 inches and featuring Brownsville-style log turners, weighing around 10,000 pounds. Controlled by Lewis Controls Setworks, this sawmill delivers precision and high responsiveness to professional wood cutting requirements. The Wimer Sawmill showcases excellence in cutting special types of wood such as oak, ash, and walnut. With high precision and performance, this sawmill is not just a wood-cutting tool, but also a symbol of engineering and professionalism in the wood processing industry. The wood-cutting process is smooth and efficient, demonstrating its ability to meet diverse wood processing needs from various materials. This highlights the versatility and effectiveness of the Wimer Sawmill in today's wood industry. The MIOR HTZ 1200 Plus horizontal bandsaw is one of MIOR's most advanced woodcutting devices, trusted by sawmills worldwide. Featuring precise servo control, This machine ensures high cutting speeds and exceptional flexibility. Its rapid automation and high-speed hydraulic log control prevent delays, ensuring optimal production efficiency. With precise design and top-quality components, the HTZ 1200 Plus is the perfect choice for sawmills requiring high reliability and efficiency. The PYUS CTR 1000H60 band sawmill is a versatile and highly efficient wood-cutting device, designed with advanced technology for larger saw bands. Featuring a 60 mm band saw blade and a satellite band saw system, it provides faster cutting speeds and higher performance compared to standard band saws. Its powerful motor and flexible speed adjustment make the PYUS CTR 1000H60 suitable for a variety of wood production applications, delivering cost savings and economic efficiency for sawmills. The Logosol Farmers M8, combined with the SpeedSaw E5 electric saw, offers the perfect solution for efficient and energy-saving woodcutting needs. Equipped with a water cooling system, the SpeedSaw E5 with the E37 friction brake feed provides powerful and precise cutting capabilities. With this upgrade, the Farmers M8 from Logosol becomes an ideal tool for wood processing, meeting high standards of performance and quality in the woodcutting industry. The 2023 model of the Turbo Sawmill Automatic sets a new standard for efficiency and precision in wood processing. The machine is equipped with numerous advanced automatic features such as auto feed, auto saw blade rotation, tilt adjustment, leg leveling, and an added wind guard. With new large control buttons for size adjustments, the Turbo Sawmill allows for simple and precise operation, suitable for a single operator. Available in 10 inches and 12 inches cutting versions, the machine offers dual cutting capabilities, meeting the diverse needs of the wood processing industry. Thank you for watching the entire video. Click on the suggested videos on the screen to continue exploring more exciting content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.